Landslide hazards. Landslide hazards are geological events characterized by the downward movement of soil, rock, or debris on slopes. They can occur in various forms, including rockfalls, debris flows, and slope failures, and are influenced by factors such as geology, topography, climate, vegetation, and human activities. Landslides pose significant risks to human lives, infrastructure, and the environment, making their understanding and management crucial. One of the primary causes of landslides is excessive rainfall or the rapid melting of snow, which can saturate the soil and reduce its stability. Steep slopes, particularly those with weak or unstable geological formations, are more prone to landslides. The removal of vegetation cover, through deforestation or construction activities, can also contribute to increased landslide risk as it reduces the binding effect of roots and increases water runoff. Earthquakes, volcanic activity, and changes in groundwater levels are other triggering factors that can lead to landslides. The impacts of landslides can be severe. They can cause the loss of human lives and result in injuries and the displacement of communities. Landslides can also damage or destroy infrastructure such as roads, bridges, buildings, and power lines. The transportation of debris and sediment during landslides can block river channels, leading to localized flooding and further exacerbating the hazards in downstream areas. Moreover, landslides can have long-term effects on the landscape, altering drainage patterns and ecological habitats. Managing landslide hazards involves a combination of prevention, mitigation, and preparedness measures. In terms of prevention, land use planning plays a critical role. Identifying areas prone to landslides and implementing zoning regulations to restrict development in high-risk zones can help minimize exposure to these hazards. Proper engineering practices, such as slope stabilization techniques and the construction of retaining walls, can improve the stability of slopes and reduce landslide risks. Mitigation efforts focus on reducing the potential impact of landslides. This includes implementing early warning systems to provide timely information to communities at risk, allowing for evacuation and preparedness measures. In areas with recurrent landslides, slope stabilization measures like the installation of drainage systems, soil reinforcement, and the use of retaining structures can be employed. Additionally, reforestation and the preservation of natural vegetation on slopes can enhance slope stability by minimizing soil erosion and improving water absorption. Preparedness is another crucial aspect of landslide management. Public awareness campaigns that educate communities about the risks and signs of landslides, as well as appropriate response measures, can help save lives. Training emergency responders and establishing communication networks for prompt coordination during landslide events are essential. Collaborative efforts among scientists, engineers, land use planners, and policymakers are necessary to develop comprehensive landslide management strategies. Furthermore, technological advancements have contributed to improved landslide monitoring and early detection. Remote sensing techniques, including satellite imagery and LiDAR, light detection and ranging, can assist in mapping and monitoring landslide-prone areas. Real-time monitoring systems, such as ground-based sensors and geotechnical instrumentation, can provide valuable data on slope movement, allowing for timely response and risk assessment. In conclusion, landslide hazards are complex geological events with potentially devastating consequences. Effective management of these hazards requires a multifaceted approach that includes prevention, mitigation, and preparedness measures. By implementing sound land use planning, engineering practices, early warning systems, and public education campaigns, societies can reduce the impacts of landslides and enhance their resilience in the face of these natural hazards. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications.